Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at how you can use Outlook application as a beginner, how to set up email address, how to create signatures, how to create rules, and how to create reminders, and a few more other things which you can start up with Outlook application. So it's a complete beginner tutorial, but it can help others as well. So let's get into it. So we'll start with configuring your Outlook application. First of all, start Outlook application. If it asks for a profile name, just give a name here. Most probably if it's a new setup, you should first see the screen. So you put in your email address, then I'm gonna click connect. Then it will pop up to enter the password. So I'm gonna enter the password here, sign in. So if you don't get this message, that means your multi-factor authentication is not enabled for your email account. That means your email setup is almost done. So you can skip ahead and watch the rest of the video. This is where it's asking you to register for multi-factor authentication. You press next. It gives you instructions to download the Microsoft Authenticator app. So you need to use your mobile phone and download the Authenticator app. In your mobile, if you search for Microsoft Authenticator, you should be able to see these results. This is the one which is correct one, Microsoft Authenticator app, this icon. I have already installed it. If it's not installed, you install it first, then open. If it asks you to sign in with your email, just ignore and go to Authenticator, this home icon. Then there's plus icon on the top. You need to click on plus. And if you're configuring Outlook email account, personal one, outlook.com one, you go to personal account. And if you're configuring an office account, you go to work and school account. In this case, it's a work and school. So then I'm going to select scan QR code. And I click next in my screen. Again, next. And it should show me a QR code. In this part, basically you scan the QR code with your phone and it will add the email account to your mobile app. Yeah, so it got registered. That's where it's showing the email account here. Registered for this user. So then I click next. Then in my mobile, it should pop up for me to enter this number. So if I go to my mobile and punch in this number, done, it will ask for the biometrics like your finger scan or your unlock code. So it's done. So click next, then done. If you see this window, you can click on this option. You don't particularly need to register your device unless your device is a company owned one. Then you can press OK, or I'm just gonna say no, sign in just for this application. So it comes to this screen, successfully added. So then I press done. So it should load the email address. So it will start to download the emails which are in this email account. There's not much for this email, this user. So that's how you configure the Outlook with the email address. So next we're going to look at how you set up an email signature. The easiest way is to go to a new email, then signatures here, then click new and give a name, enter. In the bottom section, I type in the details, company name, contact details, mobile, random number. Then you can add a logo as well. You have a small icon here where you can add an image. So I have an image, actually logo saved. So insert, and you can format this text. You can change the font. I'm gonna keep the same, or change the size, bold, italic, or change the color. And once you're done, you can press save. So it will automatically save as the signature for the new emails. Then you can select the same for replies or forwarding and press OK. Close it and go to new email again. So the signature is applied. And if you are not happy with the signature, you can always go back to the same place and edit it and save, then it will apply. So that's how you add a signature to your Outlook. So let's see how you can manage your emails, create rules, create reminders. So I want to create a rule where all the emails from Bill goes to a separate folder. So what I do is I select Bill's email, right click on it, go to rules, always move messages from Bill, and I select inbox, new, type in Bill's name, click OK. So it will create a folder under inbox. So I select that and press OK. So as soon as I press OK, it will move all the emails which is in the inbox to that folder, and any new emails coming in will go to the same folder. Also, you have the option to manually manage your emails. What you can do is click or right click on the inbox and go to new folder. I'm going to create a new folder for Kevin. So I can click any of these emails, drag and drop into that folder. So what I have seen is people keep their emails in the inbox, then they flag the emails which are important. As they correspond to those emails, what they do is, if you click on it again on this flag, it will give a tick. That means it's done. Or just click and drag and drop to that folder. So it's sort of archiving. So you have all the important ones which are pending in the inbox. As you do them, as you attend to them, you manually move it to that relevant folder as archive. If you look into bit more into these flags, it's called follow-up flags. If you right click on it, you can see follow-up today, tomorrow, this week, next week. So I'm going to select this one today, follow-up today, and I'm going to select different one, right click on it, and tomorrow, and another one, right click on the flag, next week. So as you flag them up, you can see it in the right hand pane that it's appearing according to their priority. If you can't see this part, this pane, you can go to view and go to do bar and select tasks. So it will appear here. Even the ones in the flagged in the folders, it will appear here. So if I flag this one, it will appear in that section. So it's easy to see at a glance what are the important pending work or pending correspondence which you need to do for emails. So that's how you use the follow-up flags. Next, we'll look at the reminders. So if you want to get a reminder for an email, what you do is select that email, then go to follow-up, then add reminder. Under the reminder, you can flag to follow-up, read, reply. So I'm going to select reply. So I'm going to select a date. For me to get a reminder, I'm going to select 11th, Thursday, and I'm going to select a time, 3 p.m. So it will give me a reminder on that day at that time, and you can see there's a bell icon over here appearing here. Also, you have the option to categorize your emails. So if I select one of these emails from Microsoft, I can go to categories from here and select any of the categories. So it will color code that email. I can manually categorize them, or I can create a rule. So I'm going to go to rules, then create rule. Then I'm going to go to advanced options. Then since I have already selected that email, it will give me the options for in this first one showing from Microsoft 365 message center. Then I'm gonna select next. Then what I want to do, I'm gonna assign a category. So I'm gonna tick on that. Then it will give me the option over here. So if I click on the category, I can select any color category for to be applied. So I'm going to click OK. So it will apply purple category and next. And are there any exceptions? I'm not going to do anything here. Then next, and I'm going to click this option, run this rule to all the emails in the inbox. Then turn on this rule. Then finish. So as I run that rule, any email which are in the inbox already, that category is applied. So if I want to search any emails under that category, the easy way is to go to search, then click on categories, and if I select purple category, any emails which are categorized into that color, it'll appear in the search results. So these are the basics to starting up with Microsoft Outlook application. So I'm gonna stop this video as this is getting longer video. So I'm gonna stop this now, and I'm gonna continue to add more videos about Outlook application and furthermore other Office applications as well. So subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you can watch them as they come out. So I hope you guys learned something from this, and thanks for watching and have a great day.